Okay, children. Now we will move towards the last part of our chapter. That is, we will see about flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon. So he was from squadron number 18, the Flying Bullets. Now squadron means in Air Force, Army Aviation or Naval Aviation. Squadron means a unit comprising a number of military aircraft and their air crews, usually of the same type, with 12 to 24 aircraft, sometimes divided into 3 or 4 flights depending on aircraft type and air force. Okay, children. Now let us start. On the 14th December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy cyber aircraft. Okay. Now here airfield means an area for takeoff and landing of an aircraft. Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy aircraft. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon was on readiness duty at that time. Readiness means he was in a state of prepared. He was in a state of being ready, being prepared. He was on a readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. Okay, so by the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. They were flying very low and they were continuously firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying officer Shekhon took off in his Nat fighter the moment he could. So even then, he took off his Nat fighter the moment he could. He began to combat the powerful cyber jet aircraft of the enemy. Okay, children. So he began to combat, means he began to fight or he began to struggle against the powerful jet aircraft of the enemy. He damaged 2 of them. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at treetop height. Means the height, treetop height means the height that is marked by the top of a tree. Okay, top of trees means very low. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of battle. So his fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at treetop height, means very low height. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. They went away. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. Okay, but alas, flying officer Shekhon's aircraft too crashed and he was killed. So, in this fight, he saved Srinagar airfield, but the town of Srinagar and the airfield of Srinagar were saved. But very sad that flying officer Shekhon's aircraft too was crashed and he was killed. Flying officer Shekhon displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. So he displayed great flying skill and determination. Determination means firmness. He was very firm in his purpose that he has to save the Srinagar town and the airfield. So he did that. Determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Okay, so he had shown the unmatched heroism. Salute to the bravest of the brave, flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon. So children understood why he was given PVC Paramvir Chakra. Okay, so he was the last one to receive the PVC till date. Okay, children, do read more on the internet at www.paramvirchakra.com about the gallant PVC awardees. Gallant means the brave, the noble PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the service of the country. Children, please do visit this site and find out about the recipients of the Paramvir Chakra, why they were given the PVC, what is the story behind their what is the story behind their, so you have to find out that. Okay, about the gallant PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the service of the country. You have to find out their about the story of their lives, why they were given the PVC. Okay, it will be very interesting. Just children go through and find out. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Okay, do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they faced the enemy. Okay, do find and read the inspiring, the motivating accounts of how they faced the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. So they never cared for their fatal means death causing wounds and physical pain, and they just sacrificed their life for our country, for our motherland. Okay children, please do visit and find out their story. Okay, now I want to tell you something about Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon. Now see children, these were the two aircraft. First one the jet aircraft, and second one nat fighter. So these two aircraft were used during that fight. Okay children, now let us see something about Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon. He was born in the 1943, 17th July, and he died at a very young age of 28 years. He died on 14 December 1971. Okay children, so flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon, PVC holder, was an officer of the IAF. He was posthumously awarded the PVC, India's highest military decoration during wartime, in recognition of his lone defense of Srinagar. Lone defense, he was the only one officer present there. Lone defense of Srinagar air base against the PAF air raid during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. He is the only member of the IAF, Indian Air Force, to be honored with the PVC. Okay children, he is the only one officer of Indian Air Force, and remaining 20 officers are from Indian Army. Yes. Now you are here on the right side, you can see the statue of Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon and his aircraft. Okay children, now you can see here again the statue, Shekhon statue at Param Yodha Sthal, National War Memorial, New Delhi. If you visit New Delhi, you can see the statues. Okay, he is remembered for his gallantry. Okay, in many cities of Punjab and New Delhi, you can see his statues. Okay, so this is regarding Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon. Okay children, so now let us salute the real heroes of our country, of our nation, of our motherland. Let us derive inspiration from our brave, selfless soldiers. Let us derive inspiration, let us get motivated from our brave, selfless soldiers, and be willing to make the final sacrifice for our country, our motherland, our own India. Okay children, so let us get inspired, let us get motivated. So this is regarding Paramveer Chakra. In the next video we will see about the pointers given at the end of the chapter. Okay children.